Hi, this is Zizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on app suggestion on Xiaomi phone. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! The drawer has app categories that automatically sort apps into various categories. You can also get app suggestion at the top. But on my previous video, I've shown you how to turn off this app suggestion, and maybe you accidentally turn off the app suggestion and now you want to enable the app suggestion again, where the frequently used app will be disappear on the top of your app drawer. So it's so simple, don't worry. So first, you can open up your app drawer. Now you can tap on the settings on the upper right corner on the gear icon on here, and you'll find there is an option app suggestion. When you turn this on, you can tap on the toggle on there. So your phone will be display most frequently used app in the app drawer on the top of the drawer here. As you can see the line on here. Here's the where the suggestion app that you frequently use on your phone. It's so simple, right? So that is how to turn on app suggestion on Xiaomi phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!